We are recording. I haven't made a video, I think, in about like 2 years. I thought it'd be kind of fun actually to work on a palette that I have never used. It's brand new and it's crazy adorable. This is Cult Candy Cosmetics and it's unused. I just got this in and I have seen a lot of pictures of these on Instagram pop up and I've just been so curious, so I had to finally purchase it and I'm freaking excited to use it right now because I don't have a lot of pastel palettes and there's like 2 pastel colors in here. I don't get the chance to work with pastels, so we're gonna give it a shot today. I haven't even swatched it yet. But we're not going to swatch it. We're just going to get surprised as we go about. So we are working with this. I've exfoliated, I moisturized. So now let's give myself some eyebrows before the world melts. So we are going to go in first with the brows with Stay Put Brow Color from Milani. That's terrifying. I got this from the mall here and it's from the store Essentials. It's called Crown and it's a brow palette and it has been loyal to me for a while. That's a brow. Want to see a magic trick? They match. I actually also just got this. I've never used it before. Always wanted to use it. I've seen nothing but great things about it. I'm sure a lot of you have too. This is P. Louise Base. And it's a UK brand. And I've seen it used so much in a lot of people's videos and it looks so good. Wow. Yeah, a little bit goes a long way because I just put like a drop and this is wow. Alright, now for the fun. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. So there's this color called Crawlies. It's cute. It's this little bright green. Okay. It's not much of a fallout, which is pretty good. And it seems to be sticking to the base. Oh, it's so cute. It's not as bright as I thought it was going to be though, but it's not awful. If I keep layering it, it does enhance the pigment. The blue's a little bit more shimmery. The green was a little bit matte. The blue's also called Bonnet. So Crawlies was matte. Bonnet is more shimmery. I like the way they're mixing together, I will say. Kind of reminds me of Skittles. Now I really do wish I had some Skittles. I've been craving candy like crazy. Ooh. Ooh, it's like a Fun Dip looking color. It's a little sheer. Let's cut a crease. Let's do a half cut crease. Oh, I definitely used too much. And let's use the color Baby, which is this little bright, probably shimmery green. Oh yeah, that is shimmery. Ooh. I like it though. Ooh, I really like it. Here, maybe I should add some pink in there. Let's go with the Plushie, which is this pink. Oh, that's so bright. Oh, that is much brighter than I anticipated. Mistakes were just made. It's okay, we can fix that. Yeah. Well, this wasn't intending to be a very, very spring look, but looks like that's what we got today. Wow, that's actually really... I barely put enough in from the pan. Looks like a flower. I'm gonna use Baby as the highlight. Because it's so shimmery, so why not? Maybe something fun for the little gap me in a corner. I don't know. I'm looking at the yellow, but I'm also looking at the orange. Let's see yellow. The yellow is called Tweety, by the way, and that's Precious. The yellow's pretty matte and it's hard to pick up. It's definitely not as, I think the pink was the most pigmented color here. They're all kind of pigmented the more you layer them up, which is definitely including the yellow in that, like the more I pack it in. But alright, let me do the bottom. I'm gonna use an eyeliner that I completely forgot that I had. I think I got this in a... No, my friend got it in a Ipsy box and she gave it to me because she doesn't use it. Sugar, color Stroke of Genius, Heavy Duty Kohl, and Green Light. So pretty much green eyeliner. Alright, let's see. Oh, that is darker than I thought it was gonna be. Slight mistakes were made. Oh boy, that's okay, we can fix that. I didn't really mean for that to be so bright. Dark. I'm gonna layer it with crawlies. Better. So I put my daughter down for a nap and so I could do this, and she's not napping, and I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear it, but she is having the time of her life right now in her room, not napping. the hell I just went through to put my lashes on was incredible. Like, I'm normally not the best at putting lashes on, but I get them done quickly on myself. On other people, I'm great, but on myself, it's like hell. And just now, it was extremely hell. Like, you see the red nose and the red cheeks. It was hell. So, let me just get the rest of the base on so we could chat about this palette. This is the finished look. So, after fanning my eyelashes from crying a river and dabbing and reapplying the lashes, everything, the shadow's still holding strong. And it's bright, it's pigmented. I'm personally not upset with it. It's got a mixture of matte and sheer. The pigments are pretty bright. The more you layer on, of course, the brighter they get. There was no fallout really with applying the colors. Like, once I applied it in, I blended it in and I patted it in, it was set. I didn't have to worry about anything falling in my eye. So if you're the kind of person who does their makeup by putting their foundation on first and then putting eyeshadow, you don't really have to worry about the colors from here falling through, which is a good thing, a really, really good thing. And in no way, shape, or form is this a sponsorship. I am not being paid by Cold Candy to advertise this. I just felt like buying it and talking about it and using it, and I regret nothing. It's adorable. I love it, and I will definitely be using it again. So, this is it. This is the first official tutorial of 2020 during this god-awful time. So I hope that you guys at home are taking very healthy precautions, staying safe, and I hope to provide you with some entertainment during this time, as I'm going to get back into being consistent with YouTube. My boyfriend had helped me set up pretty cool equipment here, and there's much more coming. I have so many ideas I want to try and do, so I do hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you soon. Be safe.